In this video, I will show you how to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp using your Windows computer. First, open your preferred browser by left-clicking on the browser icon. In the search bar, type Google Drive and click Enter. Left-click the first link that appears. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage. Here, you have all your Google Drive files. To share a file, click the three dots on the rightmost side of the file. A set of options will pop up. Here, hover over the Share option. A new set of options will appear. Click on Copy Link from the options. The link to the file will be copied to your clipboard. Now, open your WhatsApp desktop application and paste the link. Left-click the Send button to send the link to the person. To change the access of the link, simply go back to the Drive homepage. In the Share tab of the file, click the Share option again. A new pop-up will appear. Here, in the General Access section, left-click the arrow facing downwards on the right side. Three options will appear where you can choose what privileges the person with the link has. After choosing, simply click the Copy Link option, then go to the WhatsApp desktop application and share the link with the person.